Hello, welcome to episode 179 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you a real classic, Stand By Me, the bass line, combined with a little bit of percussion. And this is just, it's a very memorable bass line. And even without adding a melody to it, which I'll be doing myself in an upcoming video, just the bass line, getting it going and articulated and timed right in conjunction with the percussion is a really nice little challenge, so I wanted to show you that today. So it's playing it in the key of G. So the first part is, okay, just like that, C, B, C, G, B, C. And I tend to mute it a little bit with my right hand, the palm. You don't have to do that, but I find that adds a nice pop to it. Okay. Then after after that C, then do a little percussion, and I just smack the strings with kind of the heel of my thumb. That's the first part. Okay, then moving on. I'll go and play the whole thing. That's the whole thing, and that just repeats all the way through. Verse and chorus are exactly the same, but getting that timing just right, especially involving that percussion, which is just every other beat, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2. It's actually just on the 2 of every measure. You might expect to hear it on 4, but it's only on 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In conjunction with that, it's just a real nice challenge. And again, the muting, I think, really brings across the original feeling of that bass. It really cuts off short. So a good exercise, a nice challenge, and a great song. So hope it's useful to you. Let me know any questions or comments, and as always, thank you for watching.